is Shafaq, and I've previously done hotel management. I actually wanted to have a career change. That is why I joined digital marketing. So I joined Digital Vidya because I actually was interested in digital marketing, and there was a friend who actually did it from there, and they recommended me this one. So without any further analysis, I just went for it because of the good reviews. The journey was good actually. When the core module started, everything was fine because it was quite in sequence. But later on, everything started to get mixed up with the internship and capstone projects, and then like we were also having a few additional classes. So yeah, it went quite downline after that. Yeah, all the coordinators were good. I had most of my classes with Megha, so she was very nice, and I think my SEM capstone was with Sumit, so that was also very good.